Hi, my name is Jordan Aquila, and I'll be playing the role of one of the protagonists in the Yemaya Productions Engaging Our Communities program. And I'm really excited to be a part of this program and bringing this theater production back to Pittsburgh, because as an artist, as an actor, I delight in bringing stories to life. And this is a story that'll shed light on the social and environmental injustice that plague minority communities today. And with the help of scholars, artists, community leaders, and individuals like you, we can all work together in engaging our communities.
Engaging Our Communities is a program that engages artists, scholars, and community constituents to examine a social justice topic and to work collaboratively to produce an artistic piece that sheds light on this social topic. I'm extremely excited that this program is going to launch in Pittsburgh on April 28th and will culminate with a theater production titled The Impact of Environmental Injustice on Communities of Color.
Environmental injustice is the disproportionate allocation of environmental hazards in communities of color and low-income communities. Sometimes there's environmental injustice because of the pollution that are in communities, but also because of the resources that are not there, such as parks or clean water or grocery stores for the communities.
We are inviting our spectators to get involved in their community. There will be a following reception, whereas we will have different community organizations present at the production to engage with the spectators to get involved in their community. And so the ultimate goal is that we are engaging our community in such a way that we're shedding light on a social justice topic, and we're also engaging individuals to be social change agents. I'm Zeta Sorrell Medina.
And I'm Jordan Aquila.
And we are Engaging Our Communities.